New at 6, Toledo is being sued after a police chase in February of 2022 inadvertently led to the death of a bystander. The lawsuit is taking aim at the practices of the Toledo Police Department's chases, claiming their tactics have led to numerous innocent injuries and deaths. Michael Sandlin joins us now live with those details. So, Mike, who is suing the city?
Melissa, that'd be the estate of one Mohammed Saware, a first-generation American immigrant who was hit and killed by a driver being chased by TPD 2 years ago. Today, I spoke to the lawyer representing Saware's case, Charles Boyk, who says that TPD needs to reevaluate how they chase people and who is worth chasing so that more people like Saware don't get killed. The very first line of the Toledo Police Department's pursuit policy states, "A vehicle pursuit shall be terminated whenever the danger of the pursuit outweighs the immediate consequences of the subject's escape." Charles Boyk, personal injury attorney, says Mohammed Saware's untimely death happened because officers involved in the February 22 incident didn't follow that policy.
It almost seemed like a bunch of Keystone cops in this situation, and we believe the behavior was reckless.
The night started with a traffic violation. Court documents shared by Boyk state that 35-year-old Michael Jackson was pulled over in West Toledo for driving without headlights on. But instead of stepping out of the car, Jackson decided to run. 4 police cars gave chase, pursuing Jackson for 9 minutes.
Going through red lights, going through stop signs, going on lawns, going up to 113 miles per hour.
2 of the 4 cruisers blew their engines, and the other 2 collided into each other. Meanwhile, Jackson lost control of his vehicle, flying over an embankment and killing Saware, an immigrant from Mali and a U.S. veteran, who at the time of his death was saving up money to bring the rest of his family over to the States.
Now they have no way of even coming to the United States. So their life has been impacted. Besides the emotional impact, their whole future has basically been destroyed.
Jackson reached a plea deal and was sentenced to 12 years in prison. But Boyk says this one incident also highlights a larger problem in the Toledo Police Department as well, saying the department's own data shows that in 2022, 1 in 3 chases led to a crash. And between 2021 and 2022, of the department's 341 pursuits, there were 117 accidents, 95 injuries, and 5 deaths. Now Boyk says they want to get restitution for Saware's family and bring more accountability to the Toledo Police Department.
We think if there's some public pressure or some court intervention, that maybe we could force the city of Toledo to do the right thing and protect the people.
A city spokesperson released this statement Tuesday addressing this lawsuit, saying in full, "This was a tragic accident, but it is misleading to blame the Toledo Police Department's pursuit policy for what happened. The person who caused this accident had a warrant for his arrest, was driving extremely fast, and is now serving a lengthy prison sentence. The city will not comment further due to the pending litigation." And Boyk tells me that he expects this case to be slow going, saying he doesn't expect it to be resolved for at least another year at the earliest. Reporting in downtown Toledo, I'm Michael Sandlin for WTOL 11.